Good morning. Happy Tuesday. It's looking like we're going to have some rain today. I think we're supposed to have some rain most of this week. Friday, I'm going to have a busy Friday, so I don't even know if I'll be around. Next Friday, I definitely won't be around. I'm going to be traveling. I'll be traveling this weekend also. Got a lot of things on my plate, but you know, just another day in the life of a day trader. Pretty much just continuing to do what I want. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's happening today. So we can see, actually, let's pull up the daily chart to start with. This is so interesting. It's just really struggling. There's no real definition of up or down, although it looks like it's trying to push it back down again. We've come up, we've got a little bit of a tiny, oh, didn't mean to go that way. We got this itty bitty tiny reversal bar at the last high, okay? And it looks like it's trying to push to the downside now. The market is just now opening up and it's a little late to get into this one. We can see, let's actually because this may actually pull down here and push up off of the area. Let's just look at what happened here. All right, we've reached higher. We could never make a higher pivot in the MACDs, and now we're starting to push down lower at the EMA area. According to the 10946, direction is still up, but it could very easily change. Let's see, 1597 direction has definitely changed to the downside, but we can see what's happening here. Some major divergence between these pivots at the area of the EMA, which tells us that we're anticipating a push to the upside. This actually may keep going down, so I'm gonna... All right, let's give this one. There we go, opportunity here. This may pull all the way back to this area before it decides to push down. I'm going to go 2 ticks above the area right here. So I'm watching this. I need to see a strong push to the downside. This may end up stopping me out. Yeah, there we go. Where's my cursor going? Okay, there you are. Pulling this down a little bit. There we go. Yeah, because it's starting to pop up here. This will be the last chance hotel right here. As it's pulling back up and not breaking through, this may just come up and grab us. There we go. Seeing this pull away here, not with a lot of strength. I still do believe this is going down though. Okay. Okay, it's reaching that. Oh, okay, I'm gonna take that exit. Oh, and then it pushed right back down after that. I saw this little push up. I don't even know where that one. I'll look at it in a minute. I want to be right there. We go. I want to be right behind this little bit. Okay, double bar right behind here. Yeah, just needed to pull back further. That's about as low as I can go right there. With it being right at that high. And this is about to take off. I'm thinking to myself about moving this to a break even here soon, and I'm not sure exactly that I want to do that because this is a great space for it to pull back to and continue pushing down if it's going to. So I'm sitting it right here at this moment. Okay, I'm gonna take that one as it's starting to pop back. Do feel as though it could definitely keep going further. Today was hard. Showing a lot of strength down, but I see a reason for this to pull back. Don't think it's gonna go super far. Let's watch where it goes. Closing that out. That would have stopped me out right there. Okay, so that's gonna wrap it up. Just one more trade. It was 2 ticks. So that would make 8 trades. 8.5 points. Luckily, because one of my trades was 6.5 points. Today was a tough day for me, but you know, it is what it is. You take the good with the bad and you just carry on. So if anybody has any questions, definitely let me know. Tomorrow should be an odd day. I think if you're going to trade mornings and be pretty precise and quick about it. Thursday should be pretty open. Friday, got a few things that might keep me a little busy. So that is going to be the end of today for me. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. Hope everybody has a fabulous Tuesday, and I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.